Hello, I am Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add and create a menu to our website. First, we need to go to the left where it says Appearance and then click on Menus. Then here we are on the Edit Menu section. We are going to need a name for our menu. Main menu. Then we click on Create Menu. Once we have created our menu, we can select an Add Pages and a display location. We are going to choose Main, and then we are going to Pages here to the left, and we can add some of the pages we have created to our menu. We click on Home, About and Contact page, and then we click on Add to Menu. As we can see, they are added but not on the order we wanted, so we need to change it. We click on one of the pages and hold it down, and we drag it homepage to the top. Then the new order is homepage, contact and about us page. Then we click on the point down arrow and we can see some other options. We have a label. We can disable the link, enable a meta menu, but we are going to talk about that one on another video. The width, the number of columns, to hide it, and we can select an icon or move it down one position. We can also remove the section if we want to. Then on the left we have the possibility to add a post, a custom link. We can add simply a text sample one and a URL google.com, and we click Add to Menu. As you can see, it's added and it works on the same manner as the pages. We can also add a category if we have some created, and the menu for the settings of the icons on the menu. Once we have our menu created and it is the way we want it, we need to save by going to the top right or the lower left and click on Save Menu. Then we need to add it to our page. We are going to Pages, All Pages, and we are going to add it to the home page. We simply hover the mouse over it and click on Edit. Then we go to the theme settings and we go to Menu, and where it says Main Navigation Menu, we are going to select the name of the menu we have created, in this case Main Menu, and we can select some typography options, the family font, the size, the weight, the style, some text transformation. We are going to use an uppercase, the line height and the letter spacing. We can also change the color of the links and hover to the menu. These options will only have effect on the menu we have created, or if we leave it as it is, it will use the default configuration we have selected for the theme. This is one of the many great options that Ocean WP theme allows us to do. That is cool indeed. We are going to leave it as it is for now, and we are going to click on Update. Then we go to header and we are going to enable it so the menu will be visible. and we are going to use the default style. We are going to talk about the header in another video, don't worry about it. We click on upgrade, then we go to view page, and we can see our newly created menu. As you can see, it has the uppercase setting we use and the default hover and colors from the theme. It also comes with a search icon. We click on it and it displays a search bar for our site, and you can see the custom link we have added is right there. So that is mostly it. If you like, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.